Hi, lovely people. I'm back. Welcome back. I have 2 more entries for my summer giveaway. I have the details for the summer giveaway here, and we'll go over that in a minute, but I want to open these up. So the first one is from PattyAnne, and oh wow, look at this. Falling leaves. I love fall. It's my favorite time of the year. That pumpkin is gorgeous back there. Oh, I love this. Let me see. Okay, no address on the back. From PattyAnne, I just found you and am enjoying your videos. Aw, thank you. Yes, I have noticed your comments. I appreciate you so much. And welcome. I'm glad. Uh-oh. I am glad that you have joined. Let's see. Put that right about there. Poke a hole. So PattyAnne, good luck, and I am going to send you a tag and a handmade sticker sheet. I have a few that I need to get out, so I will be working on that this week. So I went to the P.O. box on Monday, so I haven't been back, so I'll go back and check the P.O. box. So next up is Lucy. Okay. And it says, hello, Sandy. Thank you for having your summer giveaway. Hugs and love, Lucy C. Okay, so her YouTube is See What 2025. I guess is her channel. I'll have to check that out. And let's see what we have. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Christmas. Gorgeous. Look at that glitter paper. And I love that gem on there. So cute. Let me look on the back. Okay, let me cover up her address. Yeah, YouTube, So What 2025. So check her out over on YouTube. And I love that you covered the back. And we have your name on there. Perfect. And I'm going to cover up your address. So good luck to you, Lucy. Thanks for entering. Now, Lucy, let's see. Yeah, okay, so I have your address. Perfect. So I will send you a tag and the sticker sheet. Oh my gosh, look at my tag journal, you all. It is looking so good. I love flipping through it, and I have it hanging on my pegboard, so I get to look at it every day. But if you haven't entered, you still have time, I promise. I am not going to be picking a winner until August 31st. So really, if you want to get something in the mail, it only is taking 2 to 3 days. So I know I have, say the deadline is the 20th, but honestly, whatever shows up in my P.O. box on the 31st, I'm going to include all of them. So you have time. Get an entry in, and you will get the sticker sheet and plus a tag that I will make you. And I just thought this was a fun collection of different summary and junk journal stickers. And so I would love to have you enter. So we have 15 entries right now. So exciting. So to Lucy and to Patty, thank you all so much for entering, and keep an eye out for some happy mail from me. Look how cute this is. Don't you want your tag to be a part of my journal? My tag journal. Come on, you still have time. Do it. Do it. All right, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.